Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pho in a slow cooker. First, gather your key ingredients, including 2 to 3 pounds of beef bones, 1 large onion, and a 3-inch piece of ginger. Roast the bones and aromatics at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. This crucial step develops a rich, deep flavor. Then, prepare your spice packet with 5 to 6 star anise, 1 cinnamon stick, and 10 cloves, ready for the slow cooker. Now, place your roasted bones, aromatics, and spice packet into the slow cooker. Add 12 to 16 cups of water, ensuring everything is submerged. Cook on the low setting for 8 to 10 hours, or if you are in a hurry, use the high setting for 4 to 6 hours. Remember to skim any foam or impurities from the surface every few hours to achieve a beautifully clear and flavorful broth. Once your broth has simmered to perfection, carefully strain it through a fine mesh sieve to remove all bones, aromatics, and spices. This leaves you with a clear, fragrant liquid. Now, season the broth to taste with about 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of rock sugar, and a pinch of salt. While the broth is hot, prepare your rice noodles according to package directions, usually a quick soak and boil. Finally, it is time to assemble your delicious pho. Place a generous portion of cooked rice noodles into each serving bowl. Top with thinly sliced raw beef, which will cook in the hot broth, and a handful of fresh herbs like cilantro and green onions. Ladle the steaming, aromatic broth over everything. Garnish with fresh lime wedges, crisp bean sprouts, and a touch of chili for a truly authentic and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.